this video, I will teach you how to create attendance in AppSheet. Now first, go to the website appsheet.com. If you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Get Started button right here and sign up using your Google account. But if you already have an account, all you have to do is to click on the Sign In just below the Get Started button and log in using your Google credentials. Now the next thing you have to do is to open your Google Sheets and create a sheet for attendance tracking. You can name it Attendance Log, just like what I did here, and add columns like name, date, check-in time, checkout time, and status. Now once you're settled with here, all you have to do is to go back to the app sheet and make a new app using this create button right here. Just have to click on that and click on app and click on start with existing data. Next, you just have to name your app. Let's say attendance right here, and choose a category that you want it to use. Then choose your data. Make sure to choose Google Sheets right here in order for you to use Google Sheets that you have created. Now you just have to scroll down and look for the Google Sheets that you have created and select that. Now you just have to wait for the app sheet automatically generate an app layout from your data. Now let's configure the form that users will use to log in on their attendance. Now to do that, you just have to go to the UX tab, which is right here on the left right corner, and open the forms. You just have to click on this mobile-like icon and click on Views. Next, you just have to scroll down until you see the view type and click on Forms right here. Make sure the form has name, date, check-in time, checkout time, and status. Once everything is settled for you, just have to click on Save right here. And if you want each users to only log their own attendance, you can enable user sign-in in the Security tab. Just have to go to the left menu right here and click on this shield right here. Now you just have to require user sign-in and enable this specific feature right here. You can click the preview icon to test your app and submit a sample attendance form to make sure everything works. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.